What happens if my Amazon order doesn't arrive on time?
Welcome to this video where we'll discuss what to do if your Amazon order doesn't arrive on time. We'll cover how to track your order, report late deliveries, and request refunds or replacements.
How can I track my Amazon order?
To track your Amazon order, simply follow these steps. 1. Sign in to your Amazon account. 2. Go to your orders. 3. Locate the order you want to track and click on Track Package. This will give you detailed information about your package's status and estimated delivery date.
What should I do if my order is late?
If your order hasn't arrived by the estimated delivery date, consider the following steps. 1. Wait for 48 hours past the estimated delivery date. Sometimes packages are delayed due to unforeseen circumstances. 2. Check the shipping address in your order details to ensure it's correct. 3. Contact the carrier if the tracking information shows that the package has been marked as delivered but you haven't received it.
How can I report a late delivery to Amazon?
If your package is still late after following the steps in Section 2, report the late delivery to Amazon by 1. Going to your orders. 2. Clicking on Problem with Order next to the late package. 3. Selecting package is late and providing any necessary details. Amazon's customer service team will look into the issue and provide assistance.
Can I request a refund or replacement for a late order?
Yes, if your order is eligible for Amazon's A to Z guarantee, you can request a refund or replacement. To do so, 1. Go to your orders. 2. Click on Problem with Order next to the late package. 3. Select Request a refund or replacement and follow the on-screen instructions. Amazon will review your request and, if approved, process the refund or send a replacement. In conclusion, if your Amazon order doesn't arrive on time, you can track your package, report the late delivery, and request a refund or replacement if eligible. If you continue to have issues with your orders, contact Amazon's customer service for further assistance.